Hello, traders. This is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market-leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for Monday, November 17th, 2014. Today was definitely the better volume day of the week. You can see we do some action with some of the names here. But as far as signals goes, we're maybe just a little bit biased to the buy side here. So you can see we've got some decent amount of signals on both sides. One interesting one might be Amazon, which is posting a downside RPS signal for Monday. That's bumping up against the 200 EMA. Biogen also very, very weak today on volume. Sina had earnings, and that one's got a contra candle to the upside after having a pretty weak session. And First Solar is probably in the beginning stage of trying to find some sort of bottom here. So definitely keep an eye on that for next week as well. Tesla, very strong close here. It's actually seeing some volume into the close, and I expect the volume to pick up to a normal run rate by the close here today. Financials a little bit weaker than the Nasdaq side. The financials were fairly weak all session. You can see the number of CPSs to the downside here. The only thing we don't have are any volume bumps to go with it. Energy names definitely trading to the upside today. The M&A news from Halliburton and whatnot are definitely weighing out and playing out in this industry. You can see the open close deviations here to the upside. Just a couple of upside candles, and Valera has an upside RPS. General's paired off here. Fairly light volume for the most part. McDonald's is the one that might be interesting on Monday. That's got a downside RPS and a volume bump. Housing names are fairly quiet today. No real action there. Transportation is a little bit to the downside here. We've got a downside indication in FedEx and also UPS. And finally, the commodity sector. Kind of a mixed bag here. There was a pretty good bounce in gold. Gold's higher by about $27 right now. So we're finally seeing some relief in some of these metals names. And you can also see a little bit of volume coming into some of those as well. So maybe we're in the midst of catching a turn there, or maybe it's just a little relief after the commodity desks this week have been under, let's just say, duress at best. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.